Hey Donnie, this is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for clicking on this video. I spoke with Sylvia the other day. She said it'd be fine to send it over to you. What we're going to do is briefly show you three easy ways to uh, drive internet business for you. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And what's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know how to tell the experts from those who are not. So what I found is creating these attack plans and giving them away for free. Some business owners do the stuff themselves, and that's awesome. And some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do this yourself, that's fine too. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, you guys don't actually have a website, which is fine. There's a lot of businesses, especially plumbers, that don't have websites. But you guys do have this Facebook site, so that's a start. It's doing business, doing some work for you, but it's not nearly as powerful as having a website. Okay, so what I can do is I can look at some of the your competition and give you some ideas about what they're doing with their website that you could do as well. So first off, this is Precision Plumbing and Drain, and they have a nice uh, website layout here. It looks great, um, easy on the eyes, very pleasing, but uh, Google doesn't rank you based on how well your website looks. They actually rank you on content, and content is all the words and all the things and pictures that you can see here. Okay, so on this site they have about 300 words of content, and they still somehow rank high on the listing. What you're actually going to want is around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content because the average front page in Google has 1,900 words of content. So you could easily blow these guys out of the water and start ranking up there with them just by adding 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Um, Another website we can look at is Roto-Rooter. They also have a really nice website. It's nicely laid out, and they're working with 1,300 words of content. So they're getting closer to that sweet spot with content, and they're actually ranked first on the organic searches because of it. Okay, so after that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant ones linking to you. So if you're a plumbing business, you want other plumbing businesses linking to you. Okay, you don't necessarily need Pizza Hut linking to you because Google knows that you don't sell pizzas. So we can go over here into this little tool called Ahrefs, and we can go look at precision drain cleaning. This is what they're doing with backlinks. Okay, and they have 60 different websites that are referring 96 backlinks to them. Okay, that's giving them this modest amount of traffic, but that traffic's worth $1,200 per month. So not chump change, not bad at all. Roto-Rooter, CHesapeake, with fewer referring domains, they're getting more backlinks and they're bringing in $1,500 per month. Okay, so this is stuff that you could be doing. All we have to do is go and look at those referring domains, get them referring back to you as well, and you're off to the races. Um, a business that's really killing it right now is Atomic Plumbing. If you look at them, look how much traffic value they're getting from the backlinks that they're getting from these referring domains. So it really is worth it. It's something really, it's very important. You can see the value in it right here. So once we get you a website built, we can fill in these backlinks and get you running. The last thing we want to talk about is when people search for Chesapeake plumber, they're ready to buy. They call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. So you want to be that plumber because those customers are the easiest ones to close. So if you look right here as we search, these guys right here, these are ads, and people generally skip these either because they don't trust them, or they've had a bad experience with them, or they may even have an ad blocker, so they can't even see them. So really, the money spotted right here is what we call a map pack or Google My Business. And how you rank here is by having your name, address, and phone number in as many different directories across the web. So Facebook, yeah, it's one. You're already there. LinkedIn, Twitter, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all great places to build up your directories and your citations. So what you want to do is you get here and see what Precision Plumbing and Drain is doing, and then you would grab those citations for your business as well. And again, that would help you rank up and hopefully get in this top 3, so you're right there in front of the customer and looking to buy. Okay, so that's all I got for you today, Donnie. I hope it was informative. As a quick recap, we want to get you a website that has about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on that front page. We want to get you with some backlinks from other plumbing websites. And then we also want to get you some citations so that we can rank in the map pack. Okay? So if you want to do this all yourself, please do. It's free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So all I ask in return is for you to send me back a line or two of feedback on this video. Let me know if it was helpful or valuable for you. If you want any help doing this, you can give me a call. Here's my phone number, 757-354-2802, or you can drop me a line on this email right here. Either way, appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.